Welcome to Ally's Leaf Lab. Today, we're creating something special, Cinnamon Sunflower Seed Brittle, a delightful, sugar-free treat that's as nourishing as it is delicious. To start, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: sunflower seeds, dates, and cinnamon. Sunflower seeds are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that keep you feeling great, while dates offer a natural sweetness without any added sugar. Plus, that pinch of cinnamon, it doesn't just taste amazing, it also brings in some wonderful health benefits. Let's dive into preparation. First, toast the sunflower seeds in a dry pan over medium heat until they turn a lovely golden color and release their nutty aroma. While that's happening, melt your dates into a thick syrup. Combine those beautifully toasted seeds with the syrup and sprinkle in a generous dusting of cinnamon for that cozy warmth. Spread the glossy mixture onto parchment paper, allowing it to cool and set into delicious, crunchy brittle. Once it's ready, break the brittle into delightful shards that snap perfectly. It's a fantastic snack to enjoy yourself or to gift a friend who could use a touch of sweetness in their life. Make your own batch of cinnamon sunflower seed brittle and share the joy. Don't forget to follow Ally's Leaf Lab for more delicious recipes.